Right now, while you're watching this, something is breaking. Not with explosions, not with warnings, but silently, invisibly. Banks are tightening their grip. Prices are climbing faster than wages, and somewhere, a family just like yours is realizing their savings mean nothing. This isn't a movie. This isn't someday. This is happening. Meet Jeff. 42 years old, accountant, divorced. Has a 9-year-old daughter, Lily, who stays with him on weekends. Jeff thinks he's prepared. He has a stable job, some savings, a decent apartment. But Jeff is about to learn the most terrifying lesson of his life. Everything can collapse in 72 hours. It starts small. Monday morning, Jeff stops for gas. Yesterday it was $3.40 a gallon. Today, $5.80. He shrugs. Must be temporary. At work, rumors spread. The bank downtown limited withdrawals to $300 per day. Liquidity concerns, they said. That evening, Jeff visits the grocery store. Half the shelves are empty. No rice, no canned goods, no bottled water. A woman argues with a cashier. A man stuffs bread into his jacket and runs. Jeff's stomach tightens. Something is wrong. But like most people, he tells himself, it'll blow over. History says otherwise. Germany, 1923. People burned money for warmth because it was worthless. Venezuela, 2018. Families waited 8 hours for a loaf of bread. Every collapse follows the same pattern: denial, panic, chaos. Jeff is still in denial. He has 48 hours before that changes. Wednesday morning, Jeff wakes to his phone buzzing. 17 messages. Markets crashed overnight, the worst single-day drop in history. Trading halted. Banks closed temporarily. His banking app shows an error. Service unavailable. He drives to the ATM. The line wraps around the block. When he finally reaches the machine, it spits out a receipt. Daily limit reached. $0 available. His $23,000 in savings? Frozen. Inaccessible. Gone. Panic hits. He calls his ex-wife. No answer. He calls again. Voicemail. Lily is across the city, 20 miles away, and every road is gridlocked. The collapse isn't coming. It's here. Jeff's instincts kick in. He inventories everything. 6 water bottles, 4 cans of soup, some crackers, a flashlight with weak batteries, a pocket knife he's never used. It's not enough. Not even close. Outside, sirens wail constantly. He hears shouting, glass breaking, a gunshot, close. His neighbor, Mr. Patterson, pounds on his door. They're looting the convenience store. We need to leave, tonight. Jeff hesitates. Leave? To where? But Mr. Patterson is ex-military. He has a plan. His brother's farm, 60 miles north. Defensible. Water source. Space to grow food. Jeff makes a decision. He can't reach Lily tonight. But he can survive and find her when the chaos settles. He packs one bag, leaves everything else behind. That night, he learns the first rule of collapse. In a crisis, speed beats perfection. They move at night. No headlights, no noise. Main roads are death traps, gridlocked, violent, unpredictable. They take back roads, guided by paper maps. Jeff sees things that will haunt him forever. A family stranded, waving desperately for help. He wants to stop. Mister. Patterson grabs his arm. We can't save everyone. Keep moving. A checkpoint appears ahead. Armed men, not police. They turn around, find another route. By dawn, they reach the farm, exhausted, terrified, but alive. Jeff collapses against a fence post and cries not from relief, but from the crushing weight of one thought. Where is Lily? Days pass, then weeks. Jeff and the small community at the farm establish routines: water collection, food rationing, perimeter security. He learns skills he never imagined needing: starting fires, filtering water, basic first aid. News is scarce. Power grids are down. The old world is gone. But here's what surprises Jeff most. People adapt. Neighbors become family. Strangers become allies. When systems fail, communities rise. One morning, a trader passes through. He carries information. There's a refugee camp, 30 miles east. Families are reuniting there. They have lists, names. Jeff's heart stops. He has to go. He has to find Lily. Jeff's story isn't over, but yours hasn't started yet. And that's the point. Right now, you have what Jeff didn't: time. Time to prepare, time to learn, time to build skills, stock essentials, and strengthen community.